say hello, hello. Here. Good, good, very good. Hello, how are you? And we say so, 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 so. I'm so sad. Okay, okay, please sit down nicely, okay? Now, let's sing our hello song, okay? Hello, everybody. Okay, can we do some actions? Okay, yes, get us ready. Okay, let's do it. Hello, everybody. How are you today? It's time to move your body and learn and play. Hello to my teachers. How are you today? I am gonna listen to what you say. Hello to my friends. How are you today? I am gonna share my toys with you today. Actions. Shake your head, yes. Shake your head, no. No. Shake your head, yes. Shake your head, no. No. Put your arms up. Up. Put your arms down. Oh. Put your arms up and shake it all around again. Up. Put your arms down. Put your arms up. Yeah. And shake it all around. Bend to the left. Ooh. Bend to the right. Oh no. Bend to the left. Bend to the right. Once again, hello. Hello, everybody. How are you today? Time to move your body and learn and play. Hello to my teachers. How are you today? I am gonna listen to what you say. Hello to my friends. How are you today? I am gonna share my toys with you today. Yes, great. We say hello. Ken can sing very well. Now we are going to review some letters and words we have learned. First is letter M, and we have M, milk. Say M, milk. Great. Milk is yummy, good for Ken's tummy. Next is M, Ken, money. Great. Check. Do you have money? Let me check. No money. Can you check? Do you have? Oh, yes or no? Okay, quickly. Here. Yes or no? No money. Oh no. We are so poor. Next is letter N, and we have N. Here. Look at this. Oh, something big. Ooh, hello, Ken. Hello, Ken. Here is my nose, right, Ken? And nose is a big nose, and my nose can sneeze. Oh no! And nose. Can touch your nose. Touch your nose. You don't want? Okay, I touch my nose. Okay, and nose. Okay, next. Okay, next is and net. Say net. Can and net. Yes, very good. Oh, look, here is a shark, and we can catch it with a net. Shark is swimming. Swim. Net. Ah! We caught the shark. Oh no, baby shark is not here again. Then we have something yucky. Ooh, something yucky. Oh, onion. Can say onion. Say onion. Oh, onion. Oh, onion. Okay, and the last is and ow. Right. And owl can fly. Ow. Fly. Ow. Okay, Ken, give me 5. High five. Ken? Yes, thank you. Now, please put your hands here. Yes. Okay, look, now I put 4 cards here. Here is milk. Then here is money. Here is nose. And here is yucky onion. Okay, Ken. Okay, then next is close your eyes. Can close your eyes. Close your eyes. 1, 2, no. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Can. Okay, now open. Okay, can you guess what is here? Look, here is M. What's here? M. Ma. What's this? Say no. Money, right? M money is missing. Then can close your eyes. Close your eyes. Yes. Okay, you can turn like this. Then open. Turn back. Turn back. Look at the cards. Look at the cards. Okay, go. What is missing? What is missing? Here is. Okay, you can turn back. Here is. Can you guess? And what's here? Here and. Okay, we hide this card. Hide. And here is and. Can. Nose, right? And nose, right? Touch your nose, beep. Touch your nose. Yes, and nose. Okay. Now let's talk about the jobs we have learned. And first is a teacher, right? And we say, I want to be a teacher, right? Good. Then we have a doctor, so good. And we say, I want to be a say it once again, doctor, great. Okay, and the last is, hello Ken, are you driving quickly or not? Yes or no? Yes. Here is traffic police. And police says, what does it say? Stop, right? Stop the car. Don't drive quickly. Go slowly, okay? Traffic police. Okay, Ken. Thanks for your performance. Give me 5. Yes, okay, say bye-bye.